This video, we're going to be talking about how to contact Wayfair support. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for Wayfair, just like that. Wayfair, just like that. Now what you want to do is simply go ahead and click on the Wayfair tab on the top. Here, you want to click on the top left button right over here and click on sign in. Make sure you are logged in with your account first. Once you're logged in, all you need to really do now is click on your profile icon right over here. Click on the help and contact option right down here, and you're going to be taken to this page right over here where you want to simply scroll all the way down and click on start a chat. And now this is going to be a automated chat where you can explain your problem and their support is going to be in contact with you. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.